Self-assessment presentation. The things that I found interesting were the fact that I type slow, which is really interesting honestly because I'm always on the computer or on the phone, so I'm always typing. And then how much technology vocabulary I knew. I guess it makes sense because I was kind of born in a digital age, but I just thought it was really interesting. The fact that I'm a physical learner, I always thought of myself as kind of a visual learner because I see it, I believe it, but it's saying that I'm more of a physical learner, which I thought was interesting. That the assessment found that I am an introvert. I guess it kind of looks at your personality traits and sees that you don't really ask for help and stuff like that, but I thought it was really interesting. It's not really about me, but it's about the assessment. What was surprising, once again, that I was a physical learner and not a visual learner. My whole life I thought I was a visual learner. So, and then I act on my emotions rather than my head. This one was really surprising to me because, I do sometimes, react without thinking with my head and stuff like that. But I never really thought that I reacted on my emotions rather than my head. And once again, knowing so much technology, vocabulary, it was just surprising and interesting, so that's why I added it onto here also. How can this information help me to become a better student? It helps me push my boundaries because the more I know about myself, it's easier to push my boundaries. So it let me know a little bit how I can become more extroverted. It made it clear that I needed to take notes because I didn't do so well on the recalling. So if I took notes, maybe it would help with my recalling rather than just remembering it all. Thinking with my head because I think with my emotions more. So if I thought with my head, it would make situations be less stressful because I could come with better solutions than just overreacting. Using my weaknesses to try to push past them. Weaknesses, if you can overcome your weaknesses, that's the biggest thing. With me needing to take notes to be better at what I am the worst at would really help. So yeah. I really haven't taken any personality assessments. I've taken some on social media apps, but they aren't serious and they're kinda don't mean anything, so that's really it. And then my goals for the next course is to stay on schedule. I made a really good schedule this course. It's helped me to create my schedule. And I think just staying on it will help me have a better pattern and really help me get my schoolwork done and my work done when I need to. And then my goal for this year is to think more with my head. Because this could solve a lot of problems. I've said this over and over, but it really could. If you think with your head, it can solve a lot of solutions a lot faster and less stressful. So, that's my plan for this year. And then this is just how I plan to achieve my goals. Well, how the information will help me achieve my goals. It helped me understand what I needed to fix in my life, and pretty much just what I needed to fix in my life. Because I didn't really know that I acted on my emotions that much, so it really brought that to light. And that is all. So thank you